Nice.
All right. Okay, so everyone have the quiz pulled up?
Yep.
No. You want to just do it?
Give me just a sec.
Okay.
I can read the information section at the beginning.
Sounds great.
Okay. On rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part of the patient's body or on the wrong patient. These are called wrong site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors, but they have difficulty reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, the patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Philip Stahel et al. Conducted a study on these mistakes in the lawsuits that follow. 1. The data in the file located there represents the amount in U.S. dollars hospitals will be required to pay in wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equal 0, indicating that the hospital won the battle. Find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar.
Okay, did you guys all open the quantitative descriptive statistics Excel workbook?
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Just the spreadsheet?
Yeah, okay, so in lesson 3, if you go to it and if you, like, I don't know exactly where it's at. It might be at the very top of the chapter or something. But there is a spreadsheet that you can open in the lesson, and it'll help you calculate everything. It's like towards the beginning of the lesson. Here, I'll show you my screen. Hold on. Okay, so here's the lesson workbook. So if you guys, are you guys looking at my screen? Hello?
I can see it.
Okay, wait, sorry, I was just checking, making sure it was still working. Okay, so here on the Excel workbook, there's a link right here. And if you open it, if you download it and open it, it'll show you this Excel workbook. And then over here on the left side is the data, and it'll tell you what the median, standard deviation, variance, and all these things are.
So are you getting the same number that I did? I got 80,041 roughly.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. Do you guys all know how to do that?
I think maybe I did the wrong thing. I did that homework preparation. Was I supposed to do that and the quiz before we got together?
Well, the documents, they was part of reading the textbook. They just talked about it and asked you to do it while you were reading the textbook.
Yeah, if you skimmed it, you might have like accidentally missed it because it's like not obvious. But if you just come to the textbook, and when it has the Excel instructions for creating a histogram in Excel, there will be a link to the Excel workbook. Yeah, I got all the way to question 11 when we started.
So were you able to bring up the document engine?
So I have the the document, and then I have the spreadsheet. I did in the homework, those different companies.
Mm-hmm.
But
So
I didn't do this one.
Well, it's really simple. All you need to do is download the file that says quantitative descriptive statistics.
Yeah, I do have that one.
Okay, and then for the quiz, it says to download the wrong site Excel spreadsheet. So download that, and then you're supposed to
Okay.
take information from that Excel spreadsheet and take just the wrong site column and put it into the place where it says to paste the data. But you have to make sure that it's from smallest to largest, though, before you paste it in.
Okay.
But you can do that really easy if you just select all of the data in the wrong site patient Excel spreadsheet. You can go to, there's this little box on the upper right-hand corner that says sort, and if you click that and it says sort from smallest to largest, it will do it for you.
Okay.
So
So do I have to have it sorted before I paste it? Or do you do it after?
I sorted it before just so that it wouldn't mess with the Excel spreadsheet that did the calculations, because I don't know what sort of formulas they want to put in there.
Okay, so if I highlight everything in, is it column A?
Yeah, column A, just don't highlight wrong site, just highlight everything else.
Okay, and then after I have it highlighted, tell me again how you do the sort.
At the top,
Wait, why are you sorting it?
I noticed when you use the Excel spreadsheet, the quantitative descriptive statistics, if you want the data to be right, like the mean and the median and stuff, you need to have it in order from smallest to largest. That's why you need to sort it.
I don't think that's true.
Well, I did the homework and I did it all mixed up and it gave me the wrong number, and then I changed it to smallest to largest, and then I did it again and it gave me the right number. That's the way I do it. I know that that's right if you can do it whatever way you want to.
Okay, well, I just sorted it and I didn't change any of the answers.
Which one? Where's your screen?
Okay, so look at my screen. And when I come over here to sort, and if you watch all the numerical descriptive statistics and I sort smallest to largest, none of the numbers change.
I don't know. That's just what happened with mine.
Wait, okay, do you want to show me your screen and then?
I'm not sure how to show you my screen.
Okay, so if you come over to the Google Hangouts and you click on the very left, there's a green button. There's a screen share. If you click on that, it'll show me your screen.
Okay. We can just move on. If you don't want to sort it, that's fine.
Okay.
can you guys hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you.
our Wi-Fi completely went out at my house.
Oh no!
So I had to drive to campus. So I'm sorry that I was absent for that time, but I'm glad it kept going.
That's okay.
So which one are we? Sorry, Kaylee, can you explain to me what you were talking about, the spreadsheet? I know I'm way behind now.
Okay, so can you see my screen? I have it on screen share.
Yes.
So
For takers.
if you come over to the textbook for lesson 3, I'm sorry, I'm like all the way at the bottom. Okay, so here's lesson 3. If you come and scroll down a little bit, and here where it talks about Excel instructions, there's a link right here to the Excel spreadsheet, and you'll have to download it.
Oh, okay. I remember seeing that. Okay.
And there's another way to get to it. I don't remember how. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Okay, course resources. That makes perfect sense. Okay. So I got 80,041, I think is what I put for the first one.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. Okay, sorry. So I don't know what we're on now, but
No, we still haven't moved on. You're good.
oh, we haven't?
Yeah, we're still on question 4 now.
Okay.
Okay, so, and then if you put the data into the spreadsheet, it'll just give you the answers for the first 2 questions.
Oh, how cool.
Of course, you could also calculate it by hand, but
So 68,000 for number 4, 68,552.
Yeah.
For 5, what did you get?
For 5, 71,404.
Ooh.
Standard. Oh, yeah. So did everyone get, did anyone 7 for number 6?
Yep.
Yeah.
I got 4 for number 7.
4 for the number.
So for 7, did you guys get 4?
7, yes, 4. That's what I got.
Okay. Are you on 8?
Yeah, I was reading on 8, trying to figure it out. Trying to figure it out. I remember doing this in the some of this in the reading prep. X.
Okay, so the mean is 7. So for 8, you just take 19 minus 7. So I got 12.
Yeah, that's what I got. Because you take you said the mean.
Yeah, so that
X is the
mean.
somebody's happy.
And then B, so take 1 minus 7 is negative 6, and that squared is 36.
Yep.
Okay, so number 9 is 36.
Sorry, can you explain that again?
Standard. For question number 9?
Yes.
Okay. So question number 9 is asking what B is. So if you go over and the observed data is 1, and you subtract the mean from that, so you'll end up with -6.
Yeah, I just saw
Yeah.
that they had their, what is it called? The equation, how to do it.
Yeah. And then -6 times -6 is 36.
36.
And then for standard deviation, I got 8.2. Because it's supposed to be
Yep.
Okay.
8.2.
11, what's the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data? I got 0.
0, yeah.
And then the second number, I got 29,496. Is that what you guys got?
3,900?
$29,496.
Which parts are we talking about?
No.
Question 12.
What is the second number in the 5-number summary?
Well, what'd you get for question 11?
11, 0.
Okay.
You guys know what the 5-number summary is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. They're just double checking.
I got 3,900 for
I got 3,900 too.
3,900
Yeah.
for the
12.
the second number?
Yep.
For the second number in the 5-number summary?
Yep.
But
Yeah. Because that's the first quartile, right?
sorry, I lost myself. I have to go back up again. What did you get, Kaylee?
Try the equation on the actual data just to double check.
Okay.
First quartile.
You have to take it outside.
I do it on both the wrong site, wrong patient data sheet and wait, hold on. Maybe I did doing the wrong patient lawsuit data. Oh, I was doing the wrong data.
Oh, you did the wrong side?
I was doing the other data. Okay, hold on.
So did you get 3,900 then?
I'm putting in the data again. Hold on.
Okay.
Well, the first one is still 0, so that's nice.
Yeah, it's still 0.
Okay, copy.
And did you get 3,900?
Yeah, okay. I got 3,900.
Okay, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That makes me feel better that we all got it.
Okay, yeah.
I've done that wrong.
Okay, and then the 4. So 50146. Is it random civil number?
Yeah. 50.
Oh wait, no, it's a 10-year cent. So 10-year cent. So 50145.5. Is that what you guys got?
Yep.
Oh, I can't paste on here. I did not know that.
50,000?
50,145.
Yeah, 0.5.
Yeah. Okay. And then question 14.
Oh, now I gotta plot this in. Wait, look at it.
Okay, so for the third quartile, we're just supposed to estimate.
Let's say that's 50.
I'm guessing like, yeah, 50, 55. What?
The second quartile, wouldn't it be 170-ish at the
Oh,
end?
that's
Like,
the third quartile.
What? Oh, snap.
That's asking for the third quartile, not the second.
oh, that's the third quartile.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
You guys think it's 50 then?
I said like 55. Honestly, I don't think it's that big of a deal because it just says estimated. Probably like that. I think we're good.
How? So this graph brings up or this visual brings up a question for me. How do you know which side you're starting on? Because
Yeah, I think that
wouldn't
third quartile would start at
the lower end?
the upper end, right?
Oh, you're right.
It's
Okay,
like
wait.
175 or 170.
That's
Yeah.
kind of going down. So, okay, so it'd be like 175-ish?
Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? 175?
Okay. Yeah. And then longest I did like 715. That's a valuable.
It is now it's the first time we have got customers in the study.
The longest is at that top.
Yeah.
Oh, so
So
like
like,
710 or something?
yeah, anything around there is fine.
Yeah, I put 720. I don't know.
Whatever.
Yeah, I feel like if it's, they'll give you some leeway or something.
And then 16, I'm guessing 105 seconds.
How can you
Is that
guess
what you guys
that?
think?
Yeah, it's the middle one in between the green and the orange box.
Yeah, the mean would be the second quartile. Cool.
I feel like it'd be hard to determine.
Okay, would you guys like me to submit and then I'll tell you what I get?
Wait, hold on. The last one, I think we can't determine that.
Oh, because it's not like specific?
Yeah. Like we don't have specific, because we're just estimating, so it's hard for us to actually determine what it is.
I see what you're getting, but I don't know.
Yeah, you could, I mean, I don't care.
Okay, how about I'll just submit it and I'll let you know if it's wrong, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Did you get those, Angie?
Oh, I got some of them. I got kind of lost with trying to put the information
Oh, you're
in
right.
the spreadsheet.
Well, that was the only one we got wrong, so I think it would be this cannot be determined.
Okay, so it can't be determined. Okay, so what did?
Okay, hold on. I need to get the answers back though.
Oh yeah, totally.
Why is it?
Angie, what one did you stop on that you need help with?
I just was trying to put the data into the Excel spreadsheet for those first questions, and I was busy doing that. And
Okay, yeah, we could totally. Did you get it in there and figure it out? I
Well,
got lost because I had to drive to campus, so I am totally with you.
well, it's my first time using Excel, and I've been working on it today, trying to figure out the commands so I know how to do it, but I'm slow at it.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
I didn't get Excel too. My husband luckily knows a lot about it, so he's taught me.
I know that's I was doing a conference call with him, trying to figure out just to do the homework, but now I'm really discouraged that I did all of that and I am not any better ahead on the quiz.
Well, that's why we have the group meetings so that we can.
Yeah,
help each other out.
I'm totally cool to go back over and like make sure you understand how we got each thing that we got.
Okay.
Can't speak English either.
I forgot to screenshot the data, so I have to like do it all again.
No, so we can, yeah. So,
Okay, can you go down the questions?
yeah, so for number one,
For
it's
3?
80,041. So 80041. And
Okay.
you know how we got that, Angie?
No, let me open up the spreadsheet and see if I can see that.
Okay.
Okay, so we're looking for the mean.
Yes, the mean.
Number 3. Okay.
Did you get the wrong site information pasted in?
Okay. So I hope I did the right column. My mean said 79,763. So I don't know what I did wrong.
Okay, you might have found the wrong patient information instead of the wrong site.
Okay.
So just select the one that's column A.
You know what
If you select A2, you can just do Shift Control down, and it'll select all of the data for you.
Okay.
And make sure you divide it not out of, because the first one's 1, so it's not a number. So you want to divide it. Sorry, I have to scroll down. Mine's copying. Divide it out of. Oh my gosh, my computer's freaking out. Escape. What did you divide it out of, Angie?
I'm just going by what it computed for me on the spreadsheet.
What did you get?
Well, it was the 79,693. I just went back to the wrong site, wrong patient, and it looks like I only have information just in column A. So should I?
Okay. That's strange.
Do I have the wrong?
Maybe you should re-download the Excel spreadsheet.
Should I try that again?
Yeah, maybe something happened and it accidentally got deleted.
Yeah, one number could change the whole thing. So I'm redoing mine just to make sure that this.
Okay.
Okay, so I submitted the answers and we got 100%, assuming that you've changed it to question 16. This cannot be determined.
Oh, it is? Okay, cool.
Yeah, it is.
Is there an easier way to find that other than going back to lesson 3?
Yes. You can, first of all, you can save it if you need to. But there's also a new resource. Hold on. Okay. Hold on, I'll screen cap so that you can see if I can get to it. Screen share this. Okay. So if you come over to the main page, there's a little thing on the left that will take you to the main page. And you come over down here to course resources. There's this really long one right here. And make sure you click on the Excel tools, not the SPS tools. And it'll bring you here. And these are the 3 files that you're going to need for the semester. And this is the one that we're using right now.
Okay.
And this will let you download all of them. But I would also recommend just saving it on your laptop to have, because I do know that we're going to have to be using these files later on in the semester as well.
So I'm trying to figure out with this other document, because I did the meeting without it. Where do you put the numbers?
Sorry, on what?
On the one you just showed us, the quantitative one.
This one?
Yeah.
Over here on the left in this blue area.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, paste.
Okay, so I have a hard time flipping back and forth between tabs to go back to the quiz, but am I looking for wrong site column or wrong patient column?
Wrong side.
It'll ask you in the question.
Yeah.
The first one, are you asking about that one?
Yeah, for number 3.
It's gonna be the wrong site.
It's wrong site.
Yeah, it
I
asks
think I did have that
in the
column.
question.
Is there a faster way to get to the end of a column than just scrolling down?
Yes, there is. If you select, like, if you're looking through wrong site data, if you select the first number
Okay.
on your keyboard, click Shift Control down, and it'll select everything for you.
Awesome. Okay, and then I'm going to copy that. Okay. I don't remember how many columns, or yeah, is that the right term? Columns to change the number of bins for the yellow highlighted number?
I don't think the bins number matter for these questions.
It doesn't matter? Okay.
You should come up. You see where it looks on that numerical descriptive statistics?
Yeah. Yeah,
It should
so
say
80,000.
Yep.
041 for the mean. Awesome. Okay.
and the median for the same. You can just look up there. That is so nice. I wish I looked at that.
Okay, now I just got to figure out how to tab back to the quiz so I can enter all of this.
I shrink the quiz and then I shrink like the Excel so you can kind of look at them both at the same time.
Okay, that would be good.
Kaylee, if I were to submit this, can I still see the answers later, like after?
Yeah, it'll show you the answers.
Okay. I'm gonna submit this.
Okay, so how do you shrink it?
You can actually like move it if you like go to the sides. You can move it yourself, and an arrow will come. And I can't. I'm terrible explaining. An arrow will come.
Do you have to grab it in a certain corner or a certain spot?
Just on the edge or the corner.
On the edge, you'll see like 2 arrows and a line.
I don't want to waste your time. I'll just keep tabbing back and forth so I can
I'm
figure
just
that
doing the
out.
homework right now.
Are we just rounding to 80,041 for the answer?
Nope, you don't round at all. So
Or you leave off the partials?
yeah,
It's just the whole number, 80,041?
yeah, 8,041. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, and then the next one is the median amount. 68,552.
Perfect.
Okay.
Then standard deviation.
Standard deviation? Is that going to be in that box as well? Oh, yeah. 71,403.
And you can actually round up to 404.
Oh, to 404. Okay.
So then in this next one, the number 6 is super simple because it's only like 4 numbers. So
Okay.
finding the mean manually, I mean, you can put it on the Excel sheet. I just added the 9,
Added them
so that
up.
will equal it.
So it's
Of
just
number.
adding them up and dividing by 4?
Yep, so dividing it by the number, so 28 divided by 4.
8, 7. Okay. And then the median, because it's an even number, you take the middle 2 and find the average.
Uh-huh.
So 3 and 5 is 8. Divide that by 2 is 4.
Yep, perfect.
Okay. Okay.
So now,
Can you explain to me what that one means?
yeah, so the next section, so you have the data for like X. So
Okay.
A, you're going to take 19, because that's the X, minus the mean, because the X bar means mean. So you're going to take 19 minus 7. Does that make sense where I'm getting that from?
Where does the 7 come from?
Just
Oh,
above,
because that was the mean.
yeah, just above the mean survival time. Do you see what I'm saying?
No, can you?
Okay, so the for number 6, the question 6, we got 7 as our answer.
Let me just go back to what that was. That was the mean survival time. Okay, that was 7.
So if you go to the information right above number 8,
Uh-huh.
column 1, there's that X, and then column 2, it's X minus the X bar. You know what I'm saying? X bar.
Okay. Yeah.
So the X bar, that's like what it says there. It's the deviation from the mean. So it's going to be the X bar means mean. So you put the mean there. So knowing column 1 is just X, you take 19
18.
minus 7.
Okay.
And that teaches you how far that number deviates from the mean.
There you go. That's a good reminder for me because I forgot that.
Is the X bar something in the lesson that I missed? I thought I'd written everything. Oh, I did write that down. I wrote down mean maths.
I went to I think it's in the reading too. I went
Yeah.
to the office time hour with the professor, which was really helpful. So maybe if you have time to do that, it's 12:30 on Wednesdays, Mountain Time. And it really helped me, and he taught me that, so I don't know.
Okay. I tried to go on it today, and is it just audio? If
No.
you're listening to it later?
Yeah, if you're listening to it later.
It shouldn't
So you
be.
have to be on there at the right time to have visual too.
Yeah, so at 12:30, if you go on at 12:30 Mountain Time on Wednesday,
On Wednesday.
then he is there. Actually, I think he'll even be there on Monday too. He's there Monday and Wednesday. And you can speak to him and ask questions. But then if you are after 12:30, like at like 1:30, then it's just a recording.
Okay. I will do that.
I have
Okay.
to go because I have a meeting to get to. So, see you guys.
Okay. Have
Bye,
fun.
thank you.
See ya.
Okay, on the next one it says, what would be entered into the space labeled B?
Kaylee, you're good at this one. You want to explain it?
Did she go away?
I don't know. Maybe she can't hear us. Okay, so I can explain to you. So you will take 1, because now we're on that line, right?
Uh-huh.
So 1 minus, was it 1 minus 6, 1 minus 7? So 7's the
Yeah, 1 minus 7.
Yeah, thanks. So 1 minus 7, and then you will to the second power. So that will be -6 to the second power is -6 times -6, which will equal 36.
Okay, do you mind if I head out?
What did you say?
Do you guys mind if I head out?
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Okay, see you
Thank
guys Monday. Yeah.
Sounds great. Okay, did that make sense to you, Angie?
I'm not sure on that one.
Okay.
I might have to get my husband to tutor me for that.
Well, I can. So you see the equation on column
Okay.
3?
Yeah. Okay, so that in the parentheses, the x minus x bar squared.
Yeah. Do you remember what I said x bar was?
Yeah, the mean.
Yeah, the mean. So what you'll do is you'll go to B because we need to figure out B. So you go to column 1, the same row as B, which is 1,
Uh-huh.
right? And then sorry, I'm shaky. What did we find? What do we remember the column 2 mean being?
From the previous questions.
Yeah.
Is that 7?
So what's 1 minus 7?
So -6.
Perfect. So -6, and then if we look over here, it's on column 3, it's squared. So it's going to be -6 times -6, which is 36. So it takes it, you have two, like an even number that's negative that you multiply,
Yeah.
it will turn to a positive.
Okay, I do remember that. Okay. That might be my last question. Let me see. Well, no, number 11. So in number 11, we need to go back to the wrong patient lawsuit spreadsheet
Oh, yeah.
for the 5-number summary.
So we'll go back to that one. This actually
Okay.
be good review because we were going way fast and I didn't get that one. So
Oh, my battery says I have 4 minutes left. Let me go plug in.
okay, sounds good.
Okay.
So now we're
Am
going
I
to
gonna?
use the other column,
Okay. So I need to go.
do the same kind of thingy again.
Okay. I might need help to remember how to the steps. So to get rid of everything, I'm gonna do Control Shift down,
I guess because there's so many. So I wonder if there's got to be something to.
delete. Okay, that got rid of it.
Oh
And
wait,
then
thinking.
go back to wrong patient, wrong site.
I might get rid of these numbers.
Can't figure out.
What are you trying to find? Sherry, are you trying to find it?
Yeah, I downloaded it again because in the one that I had, I only had column A, and now I'm looking at the one I downloaded and the previous, and I still only have column A. And why? Mm. I wonder if I'm delete. Oh, there it is. I was just too far down, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. So
Oh yes, after a while it disappears.
Okay, I think I've got it pasted in. So now I'm looking for, what was that question? What was the first number of the, let me go back to the quiz.
Sorry, I'm trying to paste it in there real quick.
Okay.
Mine
What
is
is the first number in the 5-number summary? Give a number rounded to the nearest cent.
so you see where that
So we've got the box that says numerical descriptive statistics. And then the box that says percentiles.
where's the quantities? Okay. So the 5th percentile. Yeah, I don't see it actually on this thing.
I need to go get my notes. I can't remember what 5-number summary means.
Yeah, this is the part that I was confused on. So good that I'm going over it again.
I'm gonna go grab my notes.
Okay.
Maybe it would have been just as quick to look in the online book. But so I have the 5-number summary as the first is minimum, then first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, maximum. Is that up to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So the 5-number summary is just you add them up. Is that what it is, or did I misunderstand?
I think it's just a point.
Oh, a point. No, I had it. I think I put the wrong numbers in. I think that's what's happening.
So my understanding from what I just read to you about the definition of the 5-number summary is that it's the minimum would be the first number, and the second number would be first quartile, third is second quartile, fourth is third quartile, fifth number of the summary would be maximum.
Okay, so then
So was the answer 0?
yeah, the first one would be 0.
Okay, and that was the right answer. I don't want to
That was the right answer.
Anything.
I still don't know how we got it, but got it. I guess that makes
So
sense.
do you see it on your
My
spreadsheet?
little spreadsheet. I was trying to get the information back on there because for some reason it didn't work. So
Okay.
it's
So in
loading.
that numerical descriptive statistics box, it says
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
minimum 0, Q1 3900, median Q3, maximum.
Yeah. So okay. Oh, now I get it. Yeah. Okay. Now that I have the right number.
3, 4, 5. So now, yeah, those are the 5 numbers.
Okay.
Okay.
So can I maybe test your knowledge? Will help me. So the minimum. So number 1 will be the minimum, right?
Yes.
And the second number will be the Q1.
Q1. Mm-hmm.
Medium's Q2.
Yep.
Q3 would be 3.
But it's the fourth number because we've got minimum Q1. I know, in this one they call it median instead of Q2.
Yeah, they're confusing. And then 5 would be the maximum.
Yep.
Oh
So
my
that's
gosh.
the 5-number summary. I did learn something from my note taking.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you. So yeah, so the number 12 would be what then? The second number.
Okay, so the second number would be Q1, which is, let me go back there. Q1 is 3,900.
Yep, perfect.
Okay, and then the fourth number was 1, 2, 3, 4 is Q3, so 50,140, and we round up to 6 since it's a half.
I did the half and it worked.
Oh, you did the half.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So yeah, 5145.5.
Okay. Let me make this. Okay, and then I was there for all of the red box things. And I guess my only question I think I answered is starting from top to bottom. And so third quartile would be the third bar going from bottom to top, which is about 175.
Yep, I put 175 as my estimate.
Okay. And I guess whoever submitted it, that was close enough to be right.
Yeah, I submitted mine already.
Okay.
So yeah.
So I'm so not unprepared next time. Did you already, in your preparation for the group meeting, should I have went to the quiz and tried to work through those problems beforehand?
I didn't work through it. I think Haley maybe does. Here, I'm gonna end our little live, and then we
Oh,
can
yeah.
talk about that. So
Okay.
I'll end that for you.